He goes, all right, so we got the Sahara Desert 2.0s. Insert cowboy riff. Actually, not gross. They're just, it's pretty satisfying. Pretty nice. And we're gonna be breathing in dirt fumes for a little while. So yeah, it's just another, what do you call it? Not the walkthrough. It's just gonna be like a little nice conversation with your boy, yours truly. Face of CleanKIX. Cleaning some shoes. Bob Ross, there you go. I got some happy little dirt clumps. I feel like I'm looking for something. Some bone. Ugh, it's got on my face. All right, what are we gonna use? No, doesn't work. I'm just gonna start making a pile of my little dirt clumps over here so I can throw them at Tyler later. Yeah, he just doesn't want to come socialize with us. It's fine, it's okay. I think if I were him, I'd be the same way. Oh, these chunks. I need something. Is there a pick over there? Steel? Yeah. Oh, give me the tongue scraper. Just kidding, I just need a pick. There's like little grooves in the midsole, so I'm running the pick along the grooves, and it's actually doing a pretty solid job of getting the dirt out. I might grab the stiff bristle brush later, maybe even the wire bristle brush, because I don't think this is hard enough midsole that I think it'd be okay. This is pretty nice because there's a little rounded part right here, so I don't use this, so I don't scrape the midsole, and I can actually like just scrape it off with the loop part. Pretty nice, actually. Look at that. Okay, I think for now, do we want to clean both of them or leave one dirty and one clean? Just do one? Okay. All right, so now we're gonna get into stiff bristle brush. That got on my finger. We're not gonna get it wet though, because we don't want mud. No mud. Oh, that was cool. It looks like a, what do you call that? Like a, yeah, but like you do that like in the intense moment on a movie. It's like cowboy. By the end of the year, we're all gonna be famous. Goals. Evan's goals. Don't put that in. Pterodactyl. Can't be saying stuff like this. I'm trying to clean. Can you get me out of my zone? I don't think. Were you honest?
Hot take. The boba in the boba isn't really that good, if I'm being honest. Like, just the other stuff is a lot better than the boba. I mean, maybe I just got bad boba.
This is good boba.
Yeah, you do.
Boba's gross. I mean, what am I saying? Boba's good. You're gross. The boba's good. You like your boba? It's slapped, he says. All right. It's going pretty good. There's like no more, there's no more dirt chunks. It's all just a little bit of dust. There's people in right now, and I don't want to be acting really sus. Okay. This is hot take, not hot take, new method. So this side is all good. No more dust, or not dust. These chunks, it just like flakes away. Or no, not, I'm like breathing it in. I didn't try for that one.
He was asleep.
I was asleep. You called me when I woke up.
Yeah, I woke you up.
Yeah. I would have, but that's the only one I haven't woken up for this week. I got the Yeezys though. Okay, well that's gross. We're done with this one. Okay, let's see. How does this lace? Like this. These are cool laces actually. This is a cool lace method. It's got a little cage thing. Like pull it through. Didn't actually notice that. Look at that. Does it go underneath the strap? It does. On the rug? Or where are we gonna put it? Oh. Okay, well, pivot socks. I'm wearing them. Are you wearing them?
I don't.
Do you hear this kid? Tyler, he does not own a pair of pivot socks. If you promised to buy a pair of pivot socks today.
Today?
Yeah.
I was planning on it, I just haven't got to.
The pivots guy liked my story on Instagram. Files.
Alright, is that it?
That's it. Thanks for watching. Should I wait till we're chilling? We good? End it? Thanks for watching this little walkthrough conversation with your boy. Follow us on our socials. TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. You're on YouTube. And yeah, cool.
Like,
oh, really?
You don't have to do that.
Now we'll throw it over to... Wait, do we need a special word? Mine are all food related. Yep. Comment the word boba. B-O-B-A. Boba. Like, yeah. And we'll shout you out in the next video. There you go. Now we pass it over to CleanKIX G. Top G. All right.
We end the video.